Megan here with WTI, and if you want to add a touch of class and elevate your canvas paintings, I highly recommend trying out these frames by FOLKOR. Right off the bat, I was so impressed with the quality of these frames. They are so well made and they look so elegant and expensive. Now, I am not an artist, but I did go to a paint and sip girls' night, and I was so proud of the art I made. I wanted to hang it on the wall, but it just lacked a little luster until I put it in this nice, beautiful brown frame. In fact, my friend was so impressed that I ended up gifting her the second frame for her painting. This was fairly easy to put together. It comes with all the instructions that you need and all of the screws. In fact, it even comes with extra screws. So whether you've recently attended a paint and sip, you're going to do a paint by number, or you're a true artist, I highly recommend these frames by FOLKOR. You're not going to be disappointed with their quality, and that's my point of view.